Hello and welcome to my first video with my voice. Ooh yeah. In this video, I'm experimenting with the butterfly effect or the chaos theory or whatever you call them. They basically state that a slight variation in some beginning scenario can cause the end result to be vastly changed. Now I'm testing this with this simple probe that has a heat shield and the stuff that will keep it alive. As you can see, I set up the orbit of the probe so it would dip 10 kilometers into the Kerbin's atmosphere. So each time it scrapes the atmosphere, its orbit will get smaller and smaller until it crashes into the ground. Then I can take the crash site coordinates from here and analyze it later. Now these first tests are the two control tests I do to see the margin of error when the two starting points are the same. Here we go, the two probes have crashed 101 kilometers away from each other. That may seem a lot, but when you account for the starting position, they are only about 0.5% different from each other, which is pretty close for me. Next, I'm doing another test. This time I'm pointing the probe in an opposite direction, head first, not the heat shield first. And the result is pretty surprising. It's 20% further from the first two tests or 5,000 kilometers by just flipping the craft around. Here we go again. This time around I'm adding and removing 1 meter per second of velocity from its orbit, altering the orbit a little bit. Now the result is even more different. Plus 1 meter per second is 84% further than the minus 1 meter per second, or more than 13,000 kilometers away from each other. Whoa. Now, knowing that there is a big difference, this time I'm altering the orbit by only adding and removing 0.2 meter per second. This time, the result is close to what I've expected. Instead of showing you the number, I'm going to show you the map of Kerbin and the crashing positions. First we have the starting position on round 0, then wrap around round 4, we have the minus 1 meter per second crash site, then on round 5 we have the minus 0.2 meter per second and the two control test site in front. Next we have the plus 2 meter per second site on round 6. Finally, we have the backward facing probe site followed by the plus 1 meter per second site on round 7. Conclusion: butterfly effect is huge. Thanks for watching.